know. It is officially that weird time between Christmas and New Year's where nobody really knows what to do with themselves. So here I am at my studio, not knowing what to do with myself. That's not entirely true though. I do have a big to-do list. So I figured I would come and try and check some of those things off of my list, but first I need to make the list. Before we get into the list making though, I want to show you my little slippers that Pat bought me. Aren't they cute? So they're my official studio slippers because my feet have been, sorry, it's so bumpy. My feet have been getting really cold while I work. So I bought my slippers. And also these jeans Pat also gave me for Christmas. Get this. So the guy buys me, they're from Acne, the last available size in a final sale pair of jeans. Not knowing if they'd fit, never tried them on. They fit perfectly. And I love them. So, I mean, I feel like he's really good at shopping. Things always seem to work out for him. But before I get into list making and everything, I want to do a quick tidy. I know I could put that on my list, but like, I picked these up the other day from Costco, just threw them in here. I did my nails the other day, left it a mess. So I'm going to do a quick tidy and then we'll get into list making and then we'll get into the to-doing. Okay, for Christmas, Vanessa got me this Opanchu planner. I got the brand Hobonichi planner. Very cute. I had previously been a big bullet journal type of person, and then life just got super busy and so I haven't been bullet journaling. And it's actually really funny because Vanessa sent me one of these planner TikToks, like people filling them out, and I messaged her back and I was like, I just realized like I'm way too chaotic of a person these days with too much going on to like formally write anything down. Little did I know that was a test that she was doing to see if I would be interested in a planner, but I took too long to respond to the TikTok she had sent me that she had already ordered it. And so I sent her back that message and she was like, fuck. But literally the day she gave this to me, that morning, I was just like realizing that I really get things done way better when I have a handwritten to-do list. I've been working on my charm board for, I think, hours now. Look how filled it is, though. Looks really cool. Obviously, I have a shit ton of charms, but I'm nearly done with what I'm going to put on here. I'm not going to put crystals or anything, like, aside from those guys, because they're little, like, jelly crystals, but Yeah, I'm not gonna put crystals on, so not too much further to go. I have a few more trays to get through. I didn't expect to do all of my charms today, but here we are. Although I did just go and grab some sushi because I'm starving. It's been hours of work. Deserve a little reward. And by reward, I mean necessary thing of life, which is food. Okay, here we are. It is full, with no room for any more charms. I even put my big gummy bears down at the bottom. Perfect. Although I need tissues in this. Hello, it's Sunday. I'm here to build Ikea stuff. My mom and I went to Ikea yesterday because I wanted to pick up a new set of Alex drawers for here, but the taller ones. So I have more room. Taller, that's me showing you that they're taller. So that's what I'm gonna build. It's gonna take, I know Alex drawers take like hours to build, and I am an Ikea pro. I love building Ikea stuff because I do love a puzzle, but I know at this height, I don't even know what height they are. I just was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy these. I know at this height, it will take quite some time. I also bought a step stool, which did you know step stools are like $60 to $70? It's crazy. I was like, well, I'll just pick up a little step stool because I can never reach my upper shelves of storage. And then there I was spending $65. So I'm gonna go ahead and build this. I'm gonna pull out my drill though, because if there's an opportunity to use a drill rather than a tiny little screwdriver, I'll take it. There she is, looks great. Although I still haven't filled any of the drawers, and the other drawer set is just there. This one is a bit more shallow, which I think is okay, considering there are more drawers. Ooh, 4 extra drawers, definitely good. It's January 3rd, time to take down the Christmas tree. Okay, I don't know how, but I've seemingly lost the bag with all the other Christmas balls on it. And my tree is very small. I don't know how I managed that. I've literally looked everywhere. The irony is too, is I just bought a step stool so I could reach the high parts, and I haven't built it yet because that was going to be step 2 on my list of things to do today. But I think I may have to bump that into step 1 so I can just make sure I'm not missing anything, because where are they? to find the Christmas ball bag. Do you know where I just found the bag? After I've just torn apart my studio. I'm eating chocolate. The Christmas tree box. Of course it's there.